for my city, hustle for my people. I'm on a different page, young boss and dreams. Never gonna change, stay true to myself, I gotta find my way. I ain't got no time for lying, I keep my circle small. We keep it real when we ride, I ride with a crew. Ain't nobody gonna stop, young and ambitious, we die to the top. Ain't nobody gonna be bringing me down. Yeah, I got mesmerized, every beat I touch. I ain't got time for no lies, from bad to the top. Ain't no surprise, I'm on a rise, I came from the bottom, oh let it be snowed. Every day is a struggle, I'm keeping it low. I'm living it lavish, I used to be broke. They can't be slow on the flow, got a lot of, I'm making my dough. Every day a hustle and I can't stop. Started from nothing and now I'm on top. I got a heart, find feelings in my mind. And my wrist too, I got diamonds on my neck. I ain't need no, I can make my own moves. I ain't never slacking. From the streets to the booth, ain't no denying. I'm the G of the ball game, ain't no turning back. Focus on success, I ain't getting sidetracked. Eyes on the prize, got the real champagne, you ain't stopping me on my Mac. Y'all can't hear the sound. I got racks on racks, I never slow down, I be tamed. Yeah, I be doing no wrong, I'm staying real strong. I'm breaking my stride, I'm stacking it high. I'm living my life, realizing my time. Been through the pain and nobody gon' remain. That's my game, I got no time to run where I come from. I'll break these chains. While dodging the reins, I'm driving the track. Ain't nobody be looking at back. The pain every single day, trying to make my way. Ride through the skies where it's do or die, never count the hours. Turn my pain into power, I'm stacking the tracks. I'm looking at back, I'm grinding, I shine, I'm wasting no time. Looking back, I'm setting it free. That's all that I see, can't be going wrong. I'm staying on track, haters behind, I'm stacking the charge. I'm making a name, they playing no games. I'm shining the lane, they looking through the pain. I'm another victim of friction. Can't afford to be slipping out my mind, and I miss no time to be flopping, I never be stopping. Reaching the top, no end for the dream. I be on in between, I got money by any means.